So we were just gifted this awesome outdoor patio set.
So it did come in 2 separate boxes, and these are all the parts. And my wife put it together and said it was really easy.
It is all made out of aluminum, so it's very lightweight. It's going to be very durable here outside. Got some very kind of contemporary features to it. Very nice inlay here in the coffee table. Looks like a faux wood, and then the aluminum black. So this thing is very sleek. These sides here are kind of made out of a vinyl material almost, but they have a little bit of a stretch to them. They do look like a wicker wood, so really nice look, but I'm sure it's going to be very durable outside, unlike true wood. So really like that. So the lower pads here have these strings so you can tie it in place so it doesn't slide out on you. So that's going to be really nice. So, you know, we've all sat on a chair and it slides away. That is very cool. What I really like about it is you have seating for 4, very comfortable and squishy seats, and this sits very nicely. And I'm 6 foot tall, so still very comfortable. And these seat covers are waterproof, so if it stays outside, it's not a big deal. They also have zippers on the bottom here, so you can remove the outer layer, wash it, clean it, whatever you got to do, zip it back up, put it in place. All of this is a very modern looking and very comfortable outdoor patio set, so we're definitely looking forward to enjoying it this summer.